Dogecoin value kind of equivalent to $0.0754 a coin. All things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking, the earlier day close, 0.0775, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The change truly was 0.0021, 2.71%, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Backwards rate, USD to Doge, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.081, kind of most extreme 0.087, beautiful least 0.075, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.078, fundamentally greatest 0.083, certainly least 0.073, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.084, beautiful most extreme 0.090, especially least 0.078 in an exceptionally significant way. Dogecoin figure on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.080, most extreme 0.086, certainly least 0.074, or so they by and large thought. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.082, certainly greatest 0.088, kind of least 0.076. Dogecoin estimate on Monday. April 3, cost $0.078, sort of most extreme 0.083, fundamentally least 0.073, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday. April 4, cost $0.082, genuinely most extreme 0.088, exceptionally least 0.076 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday. April 5, cost $0.085, fundamentally most extreme 0.091, lovely least 0.079, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday. April 6, cost $0.079, especially greatest 0.085, fundamentally least 0.073 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday. April 10, cost $0.083, beautiful most extreme 0.089, really least 0.077. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday. April 11, cost $0.089, sort of greatest 0.095, really least 0.083 in a sort of enormous manner. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday. April 13, cost $0.091, kind of greatest 0.097, least 0.085 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday. April 17, cost $0.080, certainly greatest 0.086, essentially least 0.074, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday. April 18, cost $0.079, essentially most extreme 0.085, genuinely least 0.073, which explicitly is very critical. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday. April 19, cost $0.080, truly greatest 0.086, kind of least 0.074 in a very large manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday. April 20, cost $0.080, truly most extreme 0.086, especially least 0.074 in a fundamentally significant way. In about a month Dogecoin conjecture on Friday. April 21, cost $0.078, most extreme 0.083, essentially least 0.073 in a truly significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday. April 24, cost $0.075, really greatest 0.080, all things considered, least 0.070 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday. April 25, cost $0.074, especially greatest 0.079, certainly least 0.069. USD to Doge conversion scale fundamentally equivalent to 13.2644 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S-Reach 128883132996. So Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.080, truly greatest 0.086, essentially least 0.074 in a by and large enormous manner. The past day, S nearby, 12.9049. So Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 3, cost $0.078, certainly greatest 0.083, really least 0.073, which generally is very critical. Change for now plus 0.3595, plus 2.79%. USD to Doge cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a huge manner. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 12.346 coins. Genuinely most extreme 13.333, lovely least 11.494. USD to Doge forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 12.821 coins. Truly greatest 13.699, really least 12.048 in a fundamentally huge way. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 11.905 coins. Sort of most extreme 12.821, essentially least 11.111 amazingly. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 12.500 coins. Lovely most extreme 13.514, in every practical sense, least 11.628, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin figure on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 12.195 coins. Essentially most extreme 13.158, kind of least 11.364, showing that USD to Doge cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of enormous manner. USD to Doge expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost 12.821 coins. For the most part greatest 13.699, really least 12.048, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 12.195 coins. Beautiful greatest 13.158, by and large least 11.364, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days USD to Doge expectation on Friday. April, 7, cost 12.346 coins. Sort of most extreme 13.333, essentially least 11.494, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday. April, 10, cost 12.048 coins. Lovely greatest 12.987, genuinely least 11.236, which is very huge. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 11.236 coins. Lovely most extreme 12.048, really least 10.526, exhibiting that Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday. Walk, 28, costs $0.078, sort of greatest 0.083, least 0.073. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday. April, 13, cost 10.989 coins. Greatest 11.765, truly least 10.309, which most certainly is very critical. In 3 weeks dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Friday. April, 14, cost 12.048 coins. Sort of greatest 12.987, sort of least 11.236, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. USD to Doge expectation on Monday. April, 17, cost 12.500 coins. For the most part greatest 13.514, exceptionally least 11.628 and in every way that really matters, large way. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 12.658 coins. Most certainly greatest 13.699, least 11.765, which based